Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Botany by Dr. Jaswinder Kaur. Today I will discuss second part of our series 150 most important fungi MCQs. These questions are very important for all competitive exams like TGT, PGT, GIC, GDC, Assistant Professor exams, MSc entrance exams and other exams. Without wasting time, let's start. The antibiotic activity of fungus Penicillium was first noted by. Options are D. Berry, Fleming, Blakesley, Walker. Correct answer is Fleming. In year 1928, Alexander Fleming discovered the antibiotic penicillin. Heterothallism was discovered. Options are Mucor, Aspergillus, Puccinia, Albugo. Correct answer is Mucor. Heterothallism was discovered in 1904 by Blakesley in fungus Mucor. A cup-shaped fruiting body, ascocarp, is called Clistothecium, Apothecium, Perithecium or Pseudothecium. Correct answer is Apothecium. Apothecium is the cup-shaped fruiting body or ascocarp. The following is a component of fungal cell wall: lignin, suberin, chitin, cutin. Correct option is chitin. Chitin is the component of fungal cell wall. The part of mushroom that is visible above ground is zygospore, basidiocarp, ascocarp, ascogonium. Correct option is basidiocarp. The part of mushroom that is visible above ground is called basidiocarp. Fungi imperfecti, deuteromycetes lack hyphae, spores, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. Correct answer is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is absent in fungi imperfecti or deuteromycetes. Reserve food material in fungi is glycogen, starch, sucrose, maltose. Correct option is glycogen. Glycogen is a reserve food material that is present in fungi. Fungi are always heterophytes, autotrophic, saprophytic, parasitic. Correct answer is heterophytes. Fungi are always heterophytes. Which one of the following participates as mycorrhizal fungus? Ascobolus, sclerocystic, Claviceps, Pezaiza. Correct answer is Ascobolus. Ascobolus participates as mycorrhizal fungus. Which of the following is a perfect stage of Aspergillus? Options are Emersilla, Pezaiza, Ascobolus, Morchilla. Correct answer is Emersilla. Emersilla is the perfect stage of Aspergillus. Which one of the following fungi is known as bird's nest fungus? Sphaerobolus, Cythus, Clavaria, Armillaria. Correct option is Cythus. Cythus is known as bird's nest fungus. Dikaryoticization in Puccinia graminis was first reported by H.A.R. Buller, M. Tillett, A. D. Berry, D.H. Craigie. Correct answer is D.H. Craigie. He discovered dikaryoticization in Puccinia graminis. In basidiomycetes, Angiocarpus fructification is found in Agaricus, Polyporus, Lycoperdon, Coprinus. Correct answer is Lycoperdon. Lycoperdon is a member of basidiomycetes in which Angiocarpus fructification is present. Dimorphism is a characteristic feature of some of the fungi. In which of the following fungi it is found? Claviceps, yeast, Phytophthora, Achaila. Correct answer is Achaila. In Achaila, dimorphism is present. Chestobasidium is found in Auricularia, Cantharellus, Tremella, Armillaria. Correct option is Cantharellus. Chestobasidium is found in Cantharellus. Which one of the following fungi was first reported to be involved in transmission of viral disease? Albugo, Olpidium, Pythium, Allomyces. Correct option is Olpidium. Olpidium is a fungi that was first reported to be involved in transmission of viral disease. Match list first with list second and select your answer using the answer code given below. Penicillin, this is obtained from Penicillium. Alcohol and leaven breads are obtained by using Saccharomyces. Rust is formed by Puccinia graminis. Edible mushroom, this is Agaricus bisporus. So correct option is option B. Name the fungus that is edible. Penicillium, Mucor, Rhizopus, Morchilla. Correct answer is Morchilla. Morchilla is the edible fungus. Fungus without mycelium is Puccinia, Mucor, Rhizopus, Saccharomyces. Correct option is Saccharomyces. Saccharomyces is a single cell fungi. Saccharomyces is a single cell fungi and Saccharomyces lacks mycelium. Which of the following is a saprophytic fungi? Mucor, Cuscuta, Monotropa, Utricularia. Correct option is Mucor. Mucor is a saprophytic fungi and rest of these are the angiospermic plants. Zymase enzyme is secreted by Rhizopus, Rhizobium, Penicillium, yeast. Correct option is yeast. Zymase enzyme is secreted by yeast. When two host plants are required for completion of life cycle of a fungus, the condition is called heteroecious, heterokaryotic, autoecious, autotrophic. Correct answer is heteroecious. When two hosts are required for the completion of life cycle of a fungus, the condition is called as heteroecious. Fungi differ from algae in having chlorophyll, starch as reserves food, cell wall made up of cellulose, cell wall made up of chitin and cellulose. Correct option is cell wall made up of chitin and cellulose. This is present in fungi and absent in algae. That is why fungi is different from algae in having cell wall made up of chitin and cellulose. Perfect stage of a fungus means when the fungus is perfectly healthy, when it produces asexually, when it forms perfectly sexually spores. None of these. Correct option is when it forms perfectly sexually spores. This is the correct answer. When a fungus produces perfectly asexually spores, it is called as perfect stage of a fungus. The gills of mushroom help in respiration, bear spores which help in reproduction, help in nutrition, help in enhancing buoyancy. Correct option is bear spores which help in reproduction. Gills of mushroom bear spores which help in reproduction. An exception to septate hyphae of sac fungi is Rhizopus, Penicillium, yeast, agaricus. Correct option is yeast. Yeast is the exception of septate hyphae of sac fungi because yeast is a single cell fungi and it lacks septate hyphae. Shiitake mushroom is Agaricus campestris, Volvariella, Volvaceae, Agaricus, brunescens, Lentinula edodes. Correct option is Lentinula edodes. It is scientific name of Shiitake mushroom. Vine yeast is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Saccharomyces piriformis, Saccharomyces ellipsoideus, Saccharomyces shake. Correct answer is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is vine yeast. Slime molds resemble fungi, animals and fungi, plants, animals. Correct option is animals and fungi. Slime molds resemble animal and fungi. Fungi used in maturation of cheese is Mucor, Penicillium, Aspergillus, Agaricus. Correct option is Penicillium. Penicillium is a fungi that is used in maturation of cheese. Characteristic feature of kingdom fungi is it is a group of prokaryotic organism. It is a group of eukaryotic organism with indigestive mode of nutrition. It is a group of eukaryotic organism with absorptive mode of nutrition. It is a group of eukaryotic autotrophic organism. Correct answer is it is a group of eukaryotic organism with absorptive mode of nutrition. This is a characteristic feature of kingdom fungi. Which of the following is used in alcoholic fermentation? Pseudomonas, Aspergillus, Saccharomyces, Mucor. Correct option is Saccharomyces. Saccharomyces are used in alcoholic fermentation. Rhizopus belongs to which class? Ascomycetes, Phycomycetes, Basidiomycetes, Deuteromycetes. Correct option is Phycomycetes. Rhizopus belongs to class Phycomycetes. What are produced when glucose is fermented by yeast? Ethanol and carbon dioxide, ethanol and water, methanol and carbon dioxide, water and carbon dioxide. Correct option is ethanol and carbon dioxide. These two products are formed when the glucose is fermented by yeast. Asexual reproduction by conidia occurs in yeast, Chlamydomonas, Penicillium, all of these. Correct option is Penicillium. Asexual reproduction by conidia occurs in Penicillium. Member of which group are used in making beer? Rhizopus, Albugo, Neurospora, yeast. Correct option is yeast. These are used in making beer. In a yeast cell, one glucose molecule produces net ATP. 2 ATP, 4 ATP, 36 ATP, none of these. Correct option is 36 ATP. In a yeast cell, one glucose molecule produces net 36 ATP. Basidiocarp is fruiting body of Rhizopus, Mucor, Albugo, Agaricus. Correct answer is Agaricus. Basidiocarp is fruiting body of Agaricus. Which of the fungus is used in making of bread? Agaricus, yeast, Mucor, Pythium. Correct option is yeast. Yeast is the fungus that is used in making bread. Match list first with list second and select your answer using the answer code given below. In list first, name of fungi are given, and in list second, their reproductive structures are given. We have to match. In Fusarium, Sporodochium is present. In lichens, Isidium is present. In Coletotrichum, Acervulus is present, and in Phoma, Pycnidium is present. So correct option is option A. That's all for today. Rest of the question I will discuss in next video. If you found this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest notification of newly uploaded videos. Until next time, goodbye.